How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I got another quick video for you guys that is part of my On 4K tips and tricks series. Today's video will be about switching TV inputs using your On 4K remote. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Now, before we begin, in today's video, I'm going to be using the On 4K Pro. This will work with any On device that you have or any of the Google TV devices that have either the input button on there or the ones with a star. Same thing goes for these two. Alright, now to set up the remote to switch inputs on your TV, all we got to do is go to our settings. So you can press the setting button on the remote, press OK. Here we're going to scroll down and look for remotes and accessories. We're going to go to the right. Here you're going to scroll down where it says set up remote buttons. Go to the right. Now if your TV is already listed in here, you can skip this first part. If not, then we need to click on add device. You press there, click on TV. And then in here you're going to scroll through the list and find the brand of your TV. Once you find it, you're going to click on it. Go back. And it's going to bring you right to the screen. Here we want to go to input. You're going to click on it. And now it's asking us to press the start button of the remote. We're going to do that. You're going to get a code. If this code didn't work, you're going to press no. Go to the next one. Give it a couple of seconds. Nothing happens. Press no. And this is the code that works for me. I'm just going to get rid of that screen part. Select yes. And here you're going to click on done. And pretty much that's that. So if we go home, now if we press the start button once, we'll bring up the input menu over here. So to scroll through the list, you got to press the start button again, and we'll start scrolling through the list over here. Once you find the input you want to switch to, you just stop there. Give it 2 seconds, it's going to switch over. There you go. And now to go back to the On 4K screen, all you got to do is just press the home button of the remote. And that's it. Switches right back. Alright, that should do it. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it does help my channel grow. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.